Well, today I'm going to be looking at this new cooking thermometer I got. Not going to really be cooking today, just going to show you this. In the next video, I will show this in use. Comes in this little box here, and it is the Fit Flavor. It's a wireless, kind of open this, slides, Fit Flavor here. This case, you charge the case, and then this goes in here and you charge the probe. That's what you got right there. It has a way to test the ambient temperature somewhere up in here, so you'll be able to determine the temperature inside your grill or oven if that's what you're using. And then the probe will stick into your meat, and it will determine the temperature of what you're cooking. So you'll be able to have both of them at the same time. That's all it is in this little box. Comes with this little manual here. Not much here, just tells you about how the lights are, the charging, a few things like that. But it's got an app here, and it uses the Roast Track app, which is the same app as the sous vide that I have uses. Let me back up here so you can see that it's got the temperature of the ambient, which is on the left, and it's got the internal, which is on the middle. Now they're showing the same temperature right now, or real close, because it's not in anything. Then it's got the target temperature, which I click on target, and you can actually look here and scroll through and say you were wanting to cook something such as some pork chops. You can click on that. You can click start cooking, and then it's going to go ahead and have the target temperature set. You will just go ahead and place this in your pork or chicken or whatever you chose, and it will go ahead and start cooking. So I'm going to show this in a later video. That'll come out probably tomorrow, and I'm going to be cooking a pork shoulder. I'm actually going to be bringing out the pit barrel, so you'll be able to see this thing in full action. So stay tuned for that. This is, one more time, it is the Fit Flavor. Just one probe, has a charging port on the back and a little button here. The manual tells you you can click it to kind of check. It'll light certain lights to determine if it's charged, various things it'll tell you, and then you just place that right in there. Now this probe is already charging, and then you can recharge the case. So that's pretty much it. It says it charges in about 25 minutes. I don't think that means the case charges in 25 minutes. I believe that means this. So if your case is fully charged, place that in there. 25 minutes, you're good to go again. And it's supposed to last about 25 hours.